I like this little spot in here. It's a little secret cubby hole on this trail out here. You can see the water over there through the through this little path here. And sometimes you can see nature do some really cool things in these little spots like this. Like one time I saw a little muskrat just swimming and having the best time, and then he went and he crawled up the hill, and then he started rolling on his back, like scratching his back kinda, and it was just a really cool moment. Another time I saw a beaver go by and he just smacked his tail like really hard right in front of me, like for some reason, I don't know, to intimidate me or something. But it's twilight and it's a really calm, peaceful time. It's a nice little spot to meditate.